Okay, this is a PTO shaft off
Spreader. It could be any tiller, lawnmower, any type of tractor PTO shaft, and these things are designed to only go back together one way. And when they come apart, especially after they've got some usage on it, it's hard to tell which way is which. So a big tip is when you get it, when you first get your PTO shaft, slide it apart. I took a grinder, made a little metal notch in each side, and I know that that's the way it lines up, not like this. So when I'm in the field, it's 100 degrees outside, sweat's in my eyes, and this thing comes apart for some reason, I have to put it back together, or if it's been laying around the equipment shelter, I know I put the two notches together and it goes together perfect. A simple tip, save you a bunch of time and trouble on PTO shafts. You can use a drill bit and put a dot on it if you don't have a grinder. Paint does not work that good because it wears off. Hope this helps y'all.